Why don't we ever tell secrets around money? Because it always changes hands and is known to give change. Ah, the elusive green paper everyone's after, but seems to be as slippery as a greased pig. It's 2024, and there are more ways than ever to catch that pig. Maybe you're pursuing the traditional 9-to-5 grind, or playing the Wall Street roller coaster, or perhaps you're surfing the digital wave with online ventures. So if money is always changing hands, aim to ensure it lands in yours. Why did the banker switch careers? He lost interest. But unlike our banker friend, you shouldn't lose interest in the idea of making money in 2024. Let's dive in. In this digital era, online ventures are the new gold mines. Think about blogging about your cat's love for salmon or affiliate marketing with that hip new brand of sneakers. Even drop shipping can be a cash cow if you've got the right product. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try investing? Stocks, bonds, real estate, you name it. But remember, the stock market is like your ex unpredictable. And starting a small business, that's like wrestling a bear, challenging but rewarding. So, what's the moral of the story? Remember, it's not about the money, it's about making the money work for you. Or was it the other way around? Either way, make sure money is doing something for you. What's a money's favorite movie? The buck stops here. Now, isn't it hilarious how money seems to have a mind of its own, always running away? What we've discussed today are some surefire ways to make that runaway cash stop right in your bank account. So go out there, grab those opportunities, and make the big bucks stop right at your doorstep. And remember, if you can't make it, it's okay to fake it. Just kidding. Or am I? Subscribe to find out.